Hey guys, well here was a request video of my Elite 5.0. I gave it a quick cleanup and got a new brush roll in there because this one was seized up so bad that it busted the end cap off. So, did that and put a brand new belt in it. It's got a new bag in it. So, this is one that I got from my friend Alex. His YouTube channel name is The Vacuum Guy. So take a look, check his channel out. Anyways, he got this from Goodwill, as you can see, for $5. And I still laugh how they label it as a Hoovy vacuum. Not Hoover, Hoovy. So this nickname for this vacuum is Hoovy. So let's give Hoovy a run. And I also actually buried into these sets of tools had the attachment set for the Elite. So if you guys want, I'll make a separate video of the hose suction on it and how to set it up for that. Anyways, just let me know down below. Thanks for watching.